Hello children, today my video is for class 9 and it is the laws of exponents for real numbers. Laws of exponents is very important topic. You have been learning it from 7th standard. The laws, all the 4-5 laws, you have been learning it from 7th standard. Those laws you have to recall here for doing this exercise. Okay, recall what are the laws we have learned. I'll be showing you the different laws. Okay. Let's start with the first law. First law, a raised to m into a raised to n. Okay, this is the first law. You recall what we have learned in the 7th standard, same portion only. Okay, a raised to m into a raised to n, where a is the base and m and n are the power or index. Isn't it? The first law says that a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Recall the first law. Okay, we'll take an example also for that. 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 4. Where your a is 5, your m is 2 and n is 4. A raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. So that answer will be 5 raised to 6. This is your first law. Hope you remember that. Then what is the second law? Second law states that a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, I'll write that. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. And you have a condition, if m is greater than n. What does it mean? This number, the power of this number should be greater than the power of that number. So that in that case, a raised to m divided by a raised to n will be a raised to m minus n. Let's have an example for that. 7 raised to 6 divided by 7 raised to 2. So your answer will be a is 7 here, m is 6 here, n is 2 here. M is greater than n. So a raised to m divided by a raised to n will be a raised to m minus n. So your answer will be 7 raised to 4. Okay. Then what is in the second law itself, you have one more part. In that case, a raised to m divided by a raised to n if n is greater than m. Okay. The power that n will be greater than m means you have another law, that is your answer a raised to m divided by a raised to n will be 1 by a raised to n minus m. This is your second law, second part. This is your second law, first part. This is your second law, second part. Okay, that is n will be greater than m. Let's have an example for that. Okay, I'll give you an example. 4 raised to 2 divided by 4 raised to 5. Here n is greater than m. So what your answer will be 1 by 4 raised to 5 minus 2 because n is 5 and m is 2. So your answer will be 1 by 4 raised to 3. Hope you remember. This is all a 7th standard portion. You should remember. I am recalling this. Okay. Next we'll have the third law. The third law states that third law, a raised to m whole raised to n. A raised to m whole raised to n. That is equal to a raised to mn. Okay. So if you have some 5 is a and 3, your m is 3 and your n is 4. Okay. So a is 5, m is 3 and n is 4. Your answer will be 5 raised to 3 into 4. So that is 5 raised to 12. This is your third law. Then what is the next law says? I think one more law, two more laws you have. That is the fourth law. That is any a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any number, 6 raised to 0, the answer will be 1. 7 raised to 0, the answer will be 1. Whatever number, any number raised to 0, the answer is 1. This is your next law. Then the fifth one says, fifth law, that is a raised to m into b raised to m. That means the base is different and the power or index is same. A raised to m, b is also raised to m. So m and m means you have to give the power same but the base will be different. Okay, so what will you get? 5 raised to 4 into 6 raised to 4. The base is different, 5 and 6, and the power is same. So 5 raised to 6, 4 into 6 raised to 4 is, your answer for this will be AB whole raised to m. That is 5 into 6 whole raised to 4. What is 5 into 6? 30 raised to 4. Your answer is 30 raised to 4. Okay, so this is your last law. A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab whole raised to m. So 5 raised to 4 into 6 raised to 4 is 5 into 6, 30, 30 raised to 4. So we have recalled all these laws. Using all these laws, we are going to use that laws for the laws of for real numbers here. Okay, only thing is you will have in the power, you will have rational numbers or irrational numbers. Okay, now in your this question given here is exercise 1.6, 2 raised to simplify. Okay, have simplified exercise 1.6. 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Okay, here which law you use? A raised to m into a raised to n. So the base is a here. Which is a here? A is 2. Your m is 2 by 3 and your n is 1 by 5. So you just check it is of which law. The law is law 1. A raised to m into a raised to n. So what will you get here? A raised to m plus n. Okay, you will have a raised to m plus n. So 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So here the power is in the form of fraction. So what will you do? You have to take the LCM and do it. So 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. The denominators are different. So you have to have the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So what will you get here? 15 will be 2 raised to 15 will be the denominator. So you cross multiply. 5 2s are 10 and 3 1s are 3. So you will get the answer as 2 raised to 13 by 15. Hope this is clear for you. A sum is given 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. You check it is of which law. It is your exercise question. You check it is of which law. It is of law 1. A raised to m into a raised to n. So what is your law? A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So you have to add it. This is the denominators are different. You have to take the LCM. So 3 and 5, the LCM is 15. Cross multiply. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3. So 10 plus 3, 13. So your answer is 2 raised to 13 plus by 15. Let's go for the second sum. What does the second sum says? 1 by 3 raised to 2 whole raised to 1 by 3 raised to 2 whole raised to 7. So how will you do this? You check it is of which law. Okay. So you separated 1 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 2 whole raised to 7. Okay. So what will you get here? 1 raised to 7. What is 1 raised to 7? 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 7 times. So it is 1 itself. By 3 raised to, you just check it is of which law? A raised to m whole raised to n. What is a raised to m whole raised to n? It's third law. A raised to m into n. 3 raised to 2 into 7. So what will you get here? 1 by 3 raised to 14. If it is 3 raised to 3, 3 into 7, you will get 21. 3 raised to 21. Okay, we'll go for the next question. 11 raised to 1 by 2, third question. 11 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to 1 by 4. How will you do this question? You check it's of which law? A raised to m divided by a raised to n. So which is your a here? A is 11 here and which is m? M is 1 by 2 and your n is 1 by 4. Isn't it? So which law you use? That is a raised to m minus n. M is greater than n because half. This is half and this is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. So you will use the law 11 raised to m minus n. Okay. 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So what will you get here? Here also the denominators are different. 2 and 4. So what do? You take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Now you do it 2 2s are 4. So 2 minus 1. So you get the answer as 11 raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 by 4. Hope it is clear for you. So 11 raised to 1 by 2 by 11 raised to 1 by 4. Use the second law and you get the answer as 11 raised to 1 by 4. Okay, we'll go for the last question. 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. So given the question as 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. So what is 7 raised to? You just check it is of which identity. This is like, this is of which law? This is of the last law. What is the last law says? A raised to m into b raised to m. The powers are same and the bases are different. Bases 7 and 8. So what is your law? A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b whole raised to m. Isn't it? So what you get here? 7 dot is into, okay children, 7 into 8 whole raised to half. So what is 7 into 8? 7 8s are 56 whole raised to half. That is your answer. Okay, hope this portion using the laws of exponents, this laws is clear for you. You can practice more questions, use any of the numbers and practice more and more to get this portion clear. Okay children, let's go for the next type. Continue. 17 raised to 2 into 17 raised to minus 5. You have the first law, a raised to m into a raised to n. What is a raised to m into a raised to n? A raised to m plus n. N is minus 5 here. So 17 raised to 2 plus minus 5. So that is 17 raised to minus 3. 17 raised to minus 3, it is of a raised to minus n form. So your answer is 1 by 17 raised to 3. Hope this is clear for you. So 17 raised to 2 into 17 raised to minus 5. The answer is 17 raised to minus 3 and you can write it as 1 by 17 raised to plus 3. Next one, 25 raised to minus 10 by 25 raised to 6. This is of second law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. You can write this as 25 raised to minus 10 minus 6. So what will you get? 25 raised to minus 16. You can write this as 1 by 25 raised to plus 16. Hope this is clear for you. We'll go for the next sum. You have 6 raised to 2, the whole raised to minus 5. Again you have the third log here, a raised to m into n. So what will you get here? 2 into minus 5, 6 raised to minus 10. That you can write it as 1 by 6 raised to plus 10. Hope it is clear for you. Next we'll go for the next one. A raised to m into b raised to m. This is your last law type where you have the power is negative part. So the answer will be 7 into 9, the whole raised to minus 4. What is 7 into 9? 7 9s are 63, whole raised to minus 4. So what is the answer? Since the power is negative, you will write this as 1 by 63 whole raised to 4. So your answer is 1 by 63 whole raised to 4. So hope the negative power is also clear for you. Use these the same laws of exponents and do the real numbers also. Hope this video has helped you to do the exercises in the last exercise, and we have almost covered all the topic in the first lesson, that is the rational numbers. I will be discussing the next polynomial in the next video. So do watch my video and please share it to other children. Let them also get benefited from this. Thank you children for watching me. Thank you.